Manual feed shears delivers smooth, effortless cutting in a single operation. Polished surface and heat treatment for molds can keep the molding plate surface smooth and not easy to be marked when stamping. Equipped with a brand-name motor, this machine increases production by 40% compared to conventional models. Servo-driven rollers guarantee millimeter-perfect curvature for every tile. An essential component of modern construction projects. It adopts hydraulic drive to automatically position, determine the size, and cut the target product. Each unit undergoes 72+ hours of trial runs with live material before shipment. Commitment: delivery within 45 days, 18-month warranty. Steelmama always give you proper solution.